it's the old fella back yet again. Pink Rose. He's known as Pink Rose. Yeah, the Mexican girls that Lisa. I prefer to call them. Is it Pink Rose? Hang on, I'm losing it. It's not Pink Rose, is it? It's Pink Noise, you stupid old git. It's, sorry, rewind. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, Pink Rose. I've done it again, it's a Pink Noise, you stupid old... So it's Pink Noise. Ruido Rosa, or whatever it is. Pink... That's backwards, isn't it? Noise, I think so, yeah. Anyway, Pink Noise with Vertigo. Recommended by... I've done it again, haven't I? I've done it again. Bill McLean. Yeah, Bill McLean. Could you recommend the other one as well? This is the second one I'm doing, yeah. So it's Bill McLean, thank you very much. And let's get on with it now, because I've messed the start up as usual. Oh dear, me. Oh, great getting old, isn't it? Pink Noise, you silly old devil. Right, here we go. Oh, I can see why Misa likes them. Crikey, there's a lot of bass in there. And the interesting thing there is, obviously, when it sounded like to me when she recorded the vocals, she was in the empty room. It's got that sound to it, and I don't think the equipment can recreate it that well. So I do believe she must have just sang it in an empty room when she did it, because it come across really well. Again, can't understand them, obviously, because it's always Portuguese until they're singing. But yeah, not a problem. They are, it's interesting sound they've got. Looks like the guitarist has got a Fender Jazzmaster with all the switches and stuff on it, and P90 pickups in it. I couldn't see properly because of the smoke. Hope there was a health warning on there before they went in there and got on with it, because too much smoke around. Yeah, again, it's good. It's different what they're doing as well. It's again, they've done it, haven't they? They've kept it simple. They've kept it simple, and it's got that thing to it. It's got that hook. This is what it's all about. Put a good hook on it, keep it simple, and that's the way to do it. And it's catchy, So that's interesting, because it's a wonder Misa hasn't picked up on the warning then, because Ali, the bass player in that. That's a surprise. That does surprise me, because I'll give her a bell later. Say, "Oi, have you seen the warning?" Yeah, as if. Yeah, very good. It is interesting, but this is it. And thank you, Bill. Yeah, Bill McLean. Yeah, thank you, Bill, for that. And anyway, it's great, good tune. Da 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 da. A lot of bass in it. I understand why Misa likes it, because of the bass. Okay, nothing fancy, but nice tone to it. Whatever, and I think that's why she likes it. I mean, obviously she's an extraordinary bass player herself, without a doubt. And that's probably it. But anyway, enough of me rabbiting on. Good tune, liked it, not a problem. Kept it simple, how I like it. And thank you for your comments and for your support, everything else, blah blah blah. And please stay safe. This old fella will be back. So bye for now. Oh yeah, I just thought this one. People make me laugh when they're saying support the channel. Well, what support do they need? Because they've obviously got the stuff to do it, so why do they need support? I have a word for people like that. They're just money grabbing. Anyway, enough of that. Please stay safe, and this old fella will be back. Bye for now.